Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to my kitchen. I love cooking. For me, it is very relaxing. This year, I decided to keep things simple. I just want to encourage home cooking. Nothing complicated. That's why I am focusing on easy recipes, more baking, more air frying, and using the instant pot. You can make meals even after a long day. Food your kids will enjoy. Food that makes your kitchen feel warm and comforting. For me, cooking at home isn't just about feeding family. It is about caring for them. When we cook at home, we know what goes into our food and we can adjust to suit our family taste and needs. I know life is busy. Many of you are working, taking care of kids, running from one chore to another. And for me, aging comes it with its own limitations. Still, I love cooking. It keeps me connected to our roots and honestly, it brings me joy. Home cooking isn't about perfection, it is about intentions. If you can bring your kids or grandkids into the kitchen with you, let them stir, taste, help a little, or simply be playful. It may slow down, but it is worth it. Those small moments quietly turn into memories before we can realize it. Cooking together is love. Shared quality, simple recipes are fine. Semi-homemade is fine. Shortcuts are fine. The goal is to nourish, not to stress. And when someone in the family has health concerns, home cooking makes it easier to take care. You can adjust things gently without anyone feeling deprived. Cook with me, follow my recipes, and you may surprise your family with delicious food. Thank you, Manjula.